Thinking about getting a Magento Gold Partner for your Adobe Commerce store, but not sure if it's the right move? Stay tuned, and we'll cover all that and more. Let's talk about why you'd choose a Magento Gold Partner. First off, they get you priority access to Adobe's resources. That means you get the latest updates, exclusive training, and better tools, all of which give your store an edge over the competition. Gold Partners doesn't just build stores. They create systems that boost your user experience and drive sales. So, you're not just getting a nice-looking website, you're getting a fully optimized e-commerce machine. Let me give you an example. A Magento Gold Partner doesn't just focus on building a flashy homepage, they'll dig deep into optimizing your store's performance. We're talking site speed, CRM, and ERP integration. They make sure your store runs smoothly and efficiently. And support? That's key. Gold Partners offers ongoing updates and maintenance, and they proactively handle any issues before they become problems. So, how do you pick the right Gold Partner? Step 1 is to check their experience. You want someone with a proven track record who knows what they're doing. Step 2, take a look at their portfolio. Have they done projects like yours? If yes, that's a great sign. Step 3, read the testimonials. You want someone who communicates well and knows how to solve problems. And let's not forget SEO and content management. Gold Partners aren't just developers, they're experts in SEO too. They create tailored SEO strategies, handle everything from meta tags to URLs and headings, and keep your content fresh and aligned with your brand. They hold the technical SEO so your site ranks high and draws in more customers. Magento Gold Partners brings the expertise, tools, and support you need to grow. They're the partners you need if you're serious about taking your business to the next level. Ready to take your store to the next level? Like, subscribe, and share this video. Let me know in the comments.